Hello there, welcome back to the One Sweet Kitchen. One lady asked me, as she lives by herself, she likes to have a jacket potato which she cooks in the microwave, but she doesn't seem too happy with the results. So I do that as well. So here's my version coming up. A lady asked me how I would do a jacket potato just for one person. Well, this is how I do it. I scrub the potatoes under the running water, and then I take off any nasty bits with the point of a potato peeler. Then I pierce the potato 2 or 3 times on each side. That's to prevent it bursting in the oven. And then I've got one of these, but it's a Betterware potato baker, but you can just use a saucer or a dish, anything that's microwave proof. So I'm going to pop that in the microwave now for 3 minutes on full power. Right, I've taken the potato out now, it's at 3 minutes. And take note of the angle it was at when I took it out. I turn it over in the dish and then I turn it round. Then I pop it back in for another 3 minutes on high. Right, using a piece of folded kitchen paper, I've now taken the potato out of the microwave. Just feeling it gently. You squeeze it gently, it should feel soft. Now, if you want the potato to be crispy, you do have to put it in the oven, I'm afraid, but I'm not into putting the oven on just for one potato. To me, that's not economic. So what I do, I just score it gently inside. Make these for the elderly residents for lunch sometimes, and they do really enjoy them, like I do. So I'm just going to put a little butter inside. Let that melt in. Carefully trying to avoid the phone. So there we go. Now pop some cheese on top, and I've got the grill on, and I'm just going to pop those under the grill until the cheese bubbles. There you go, quick jacket potato for one person. Simple, quick, less than 10 minutes and absolutely delicious. See you later, bye.